Yo, it's that Nez. Drop another review on y'all. This time, we're doing a review out in the yard. It's going to be of BAM. This is the, what does it say there? Boreal. But I think it's actually Jetza. Jetza Boreal filter cartridge cleaner or scrubber. This is one of those devices that you use. You hook it up to your water hose and use it to help clean, expedite the cleaning of your pool filter cartridges. And this is supposed to make it a little bit easier. So what we're about to do is about to get up all into this and see how well this works. So real quick, I'm just going to give you a little walk around the package. This is the front of the package, obviously. This is the back of the package. All right, I'm going to get some close-ups for you so you can read some stuff. There's your barcode on the right there. Filter cartridge cleaner. And it gives you an idea of how it works. Bam, like that. You can pause and read for yourself. Some more examples. You can use it for your spa filter, hot tub filter, above ground, in-ground pool filters. It's by Boreal, Hot Tub and Spa Essentials. That's what she looks like again. And this is the back right here. Pause it and read it. In multiple languages there. There you go. The sun is starting to glare out here, so again. Alrighty, so and there goes your barcode right there, and like everything else, made in China, baby. This is not a toy. All right, so about to get all up into this. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm out in the yard, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it, open it up, and then come back in. Okay, we back in. This is what she looks like out of the package. Let's give you a little once around. All right. This right here is your on-off button, so you let your water come in and out by pressing that. And this right here is your your pressure button. So down is the least amount of pressure, and push it up, and that's the most amount of pressure. So when you just want the water to come out lightly while you scrubbing, you keep it down. And when you want the water to come out stronger, like in the jet screen, you push it up. I just don't see why you wouldn't just have it pushed up all the way while you're scrubbing to get, you know, both. This right here is the little connection to it, the quick attachment, so that way you can pop it in and out real quick. I'll show you if I can. I'm gonna set it right here on the edge here. It's sitting right there, and then it pops in just like that. So that's the part that screws on your water hose there, and then you can quick release it just by pulling it right off, just like that. You see, I did it with one hand. That's how simple it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to water hose, and then I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to see how this works. All right, so see you on the flip. Okay, we back in. We're all hooked up. This is what she looks like. I got it down on low, and this is what the stream looks like that comes out. When you press the button there, that's the stream that comes out. And then when I increase the speed or this pressure, it comes out even harder. See, I'm gonna lower it, raise it. I'm just gonna show you the distance. All right, that's lowered. That's raised. So it's definitely got a lot more power to it. Turn it off. So right now we got our filter right here. So what I'm gonna do is just do a little demonstration, see how she works, and see what we're working with. So here goes. So this bad boy is working. It's getting in those grooves and getting all the crap out. Turn it around a little bit. So, as you can see, this bad boy does work. So, with that, I'll say I got it from, where'd I get it from? I got it from At Home Recreation, which is a pool store, a big pool chain store by me in the Middlesex County area of New Brunswick. I mean, the Middlesex County area of East Brunswick, of New Jersey. It's in East Brunswick, New Jersey, but Middlesex County. So if you're close there, you can get it from there. I believe the price is only $12, but I'll see if I can find it online and put the links in the description, so you can just pick it up online if you need to. But I'm gonna say, yeah, it definitely, for what it is, it works, and it makes it a little bit easier to clean. So with that being said, I'm Dat Brunez, and this has been a review of the Jetza pool filter cartridge cleaner. I'm Dat Brunez, and I'm out this piece.